Welcome back to Lavender Coco Kitchen. Today I'm going to make lemon and lavender bliss balls. And this is a really easy and really delicious and healthy recipe. Very low in sugar and carbs, so you can actually eat it anytime as a snack. It's really good. And it makes use of the unique flavour of lavender flowers. It's like this. Of course, lavender is used in many things, including soaps and other beauty products, and it also makes a nice addition to desserts. But you have to be a bit careful with the amount you use. If you haven't tried lavender before in cooking, it's worth trying because it does have unique health benefits. It can help improve sleep, it can ease pain, help reduce blood pressure. It can also help clear skin blemishes, and it has a very pleasant aroma as well, and also it looks really nice sprinkled on desserts. So if you haven't tried it, just give it a go. It can be a bit of an acquired taste, but just give it a try. To start with, I have a cup of cashews and a quarter cup of prunes, which I've been soaking in boiling water for 15 minutes. You can use dates instead of prunes, but prunes are actually lower in sugar than dates, and the flavour of the prunes actually does work really well with this recipe. So I would say to use prunes rather than dates in this particular recipe. So just draining off the water, then it just needs to be blended. So after it's just broken up a little bit, now we're going to add coconut flour, which is a low GI and gluten-free flour. It can also be eaten raw. So 2 tablespoons of coconut flour. Okay, then we'll have about a teaspoon of lemon zest, and about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. And half a tablespoon of coconut oil. And now for the lavender. So about 1 teaspoon of the lavender should be enough. And then half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. That's it. Okay, now just blend everything together. Yeah, that has become a paste. So now all you do is just wet your hands and just take small teaspoons and just roll them into balls. So here we have the lemon and lavender bliss balls. You can just eat them plain, or if you like, drizzle on some chocolate and add a few extra bits of lemon and lavender. Or if you're like me, you could dip the whole ball in melted chocolate. It's up to you. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.